James Clark, broker Century 21 Alton Clark, Fine Homes and Estates. Man, do I have a treat for you. Sweetwater Island Estates, beautiful gated community, probably one of the most highly sought after communities in all of Seminole County. 165 Gray Dove Court is absolutely spectacular. This home is a 4-bed, 3-bath, just a little over 2,600 square feet. That I mention a pool home, wait till you see the finishes and the upgrades. Let's go take a look inside, come on. What'd you think of the inside of the house? Awesome, right? Well, this pool area, as a matter of fact, this entire scene, watch this. Nothing, right? Do you want privacy? Well, that's what this home offers. This home is just under an acre of land, and get this, there's deer everywhere, there's wildlife everywhere. If you want serenity, if you want peace and security, gated community, Seminole County, some of the best schools in all of Seminole County, then look no further. You're home.